Alright, so the roof is officially in. The curve is looking really cool. Cabinets go here, a little cabinet goes here, and now today we're working on the cabinets. And just like the actual kitchen and bed frame and everything. So, working on that with my dad. So this whole morning we've been assembling the cabinets and just getting everything ready. So going out to the garage and checking how that's going on. We're close to being able to put them together. All right, so cabinets are cut and fitted. Now we are adding wood glue, clamping everything and making sure everything's square. But right here is where the stove is gonna go. Drawer here, this is the sink panel, which is gonna be pretty open, just so we can get underneath it, and then a bunch of drawers here. But we're gluing it up now. All right guys, so today we are installing the floor. Yesterday we went to Home Depot and we bought it, and we decided to go with this LifeProof stuff, just a darker color than kind of the rest of the van. But this is the color, and basically I'll show you a closer up view of the actual like planks itself, but it just is tongue and groove, and they just kind of snap into each other. So we're just gonna be doing that. Hopefully it'll get done pretty quick. We're not gluing it down or anything. It's just like floating there, not doing anything. So floating floor with all the cabinets and bed and everything on top of it. But yeah, this stuff is super waterproof and seems like it's gonna do well. So let's get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them what you're doing.
Are we rolling the cameras?
We're rolling.
Good. Alright, so to do these templates for all the curved edges, I'm just using a compass and just basically tracing the wall on a piece of cardboard and then switching it over to the actual board. Basically, like this. And then you just kind of follow the curve. And boom. Now you got this, so I just need to cut it out, trace it on a piece of wood, and then it should be good.
I just need to cut it out.
Alright, so we are working on the cabinets again today. We went camping for the first time the other night. We just kind of stayed in the back of the van, and it was really cool to finally spend a night in it. But over here, me and my dad are working on the cabinets, and we assembled the first one. We just have one more bench seat for the other side. How's it going? Hey. This is just plywood that we framed it out with. This is where the oven is going to be, sink, and then drawers. I have this little thing here. The backsplash is here and on that side. But now we're doing what's called fascia, which is like the front of the cabinet. Alright, so we tipped the cabinet up, and this is the first time that actually looking at it like this. So we fit the camp oven in. Gonna be able to cook cookies in it. This is gonna be about level with the butcher block once it's on top, but the oven fits, and now we're just figuring out where exactly we want the fascia to be. So now we have all our measurements here, putting it on the table, gluing it together.
This stop block,
Yeah.
you just put it on there, you clamp it somewhere in here. Yeah, that'll stop you.
Alright, so we moved on to the little bench seat on the other side. These are all the pieces cut, just dado joints there and there. And basically this section is where the fridge is gonna be, and then this is gonna be kind of open to the back garage. But we're just laying glue here, putting it up, doing just some little nails to hold it while the glue sets. And then this will be the bench. We just assembled all the fascia, now we're gluing it and tacking it with the nail gun to this. so today is the big day.
Heyo.
What's up? Okay, so today we're installing these templates, and what we're using for it is this 1/4-inch plywood. So I just got the templates out of that little door thing, and then we're gonna cut it out of here and then just screw it down. So that little one's the first one we're gonna try, so we'll see how it goes.
Putting nails in the cardboard.
The name of the next song is Girls on Instagram. Okay. Put some clothes on. Okay, thank you.
All right, so Nicole's over here, and what she's doing.
That people will ever see.
This is our new couch. But she's basically painting all of these black because they're the self-tap metal screws, which we need to get into the metal. And we want them to match these black ones we use for the ceiling. Alright, so the new plan with these panels is to use the waste wood that we still have from the ceiling, and we're just gonna build the panels out of those. So Nicole right now is just lining these all up, gonna trace the template, and then just install them here. Boom, 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 and I'm measuring this one out. How's it going? Looking good. How many layers are you at? 2. Okay, so here are the face of the drawers, and it's just this poplar wood. It's super nice. I really don't want to cover it, but gonna match it with the drawers. All of this stuff is covered, that's why it's not painted, but I am just gonna go ahead and paint this. Start staining that just so that it gets like a bit of a water seal, so it's not as doesn't soak up as many liquids. And yeah, bench is being painted too. My sister helped out painting that, and just trying to finish up these cabinets so we can put them in there. All right, so yesterday we installed the headboards. So basically it's going to be a little bit sunk in where our head and feet go. So we installed these, which is basically just plywood, and then you can see the screws nailed back. But that's basically going to give an extra like 4 inches total on the bed, which is huge. And then, like you saw in the time lapse, we put these on. And today what I'm doing is this bottom panel here, and then we can start doing the bed. And hopefully from here it's going to start moving pretty fast. But I'm going to take you in and check out the cabinets. So it's taken a while to find mounts that actually work for the different cabinets, but finally found some at Lowe's, and now it's just about mounting these and then mounting the drawers on top of them. I got soft close drawers, so they kind of have a little play, like you have to pull hard to get them out. So hopefully when we're driving around, that'll prevent them from kind of falling out. But we're moving slowly, but still moving. Okay, sweet. Nicole's hanging out. So in the back here, I just added these little brackets, and they basically just like snap in right there. So I just have to add a little spacer in the back, and that's good. All right, so the drawer has been mounted. Let's see, the little soft close. Boom. So now I just need to mount this on the front of it. Final step of getting these drawers ready to get put in is the handles. So I've already put this one in. We just went for these super simple like black handles, kind of like rustic vibes. They're gonna match the sink and the faucet. But this one just drilled the holes, so putting that in. And then I have to wait a few days for the rest of the drawer slides to come in. I don't know, Lowe's just didn't have them in stock. But yeah, the cabinet is finally kind of looking somewhat finished.